This is a tutorial on the Customer Special Names Maintenance OE0600. This screen allows us to set up customer special names for customers' product combinations where we wish to show the actual customer's product number or customer product description on various documents in the system. I'm going to enter a query now and we'll bring up a record that's already been set up. So that for customer LON001, we have set up here already our product number and our product description, which happens to be a 5-pound axe. I'm just going to skip down here to the customer product field, and this is the customer's product number that they use at their own company site and their own customer product description. When we run various documents through the system, for example the packing slip print, order acknowledgement, invoice print program, our product number and our product description will be printed on these documents, but below that will be the customer's product code and customer product description. You don't have to have both of these entered. You could have just perhaps a customer product number. This is a good cross-reference for your customer when they're receiving the goods, so the documents are much more meaningful to them. And also in the order entry program, when we're entering an order, these customer product numbers can be used interchangeably with our own product number. So I'm going to quickly fast track into the order entry program OE2100 where I've already set up the header portion of an order. I'll query upon. Now if I come down to the product code and I enter the product code that we've had set up in the special names maintenance, you can see that product code under the customer's product number appears here and the customer's product description. Now if we clear the record, I can also use the customer's product code here, AX209. So I'll enter AX209, enter, and see that interchanges with our own product number. So if you have the customer on the telephone and you're speaking to them and they just give you their product code number, they may not know yours, you can quickly bring up your own product code here and continue to enter the order. So we'll exit back to our maintenance screen and we'll go through the various fields. Also, when we're coming through here, we can enter document text for this particular customer product combination. I have already set up here a customer text for this particular product, and what I've set up is on the invoice itself. This document text, pricing includes custom stamping, will appear on the invoices. If I wanted to also include the packing slip, I would just enter PS in there, save that record. So now that this document text will appear on all invoices and packing slips for just this particular customer product combination. Next, we have the ordering unit of measure, the order stock factor, and the pricing factor. These are strictly used in the EDI module for lookups for this customer product. It's not used for the order entry OE2100 order entering. This data is retrieved in order entry from the pricing file maintenance OE1700. So here we would, if we were using the EDI module, and we'll go into more detail when we're explaining the EDI module, we would enter here the order unit of measure, the order stock factor, and the pricing factor. Below here we do have the ordering GST or VAT. This is your federal tax and your provincial state taxes. These are the tax codes that will default when the order is entered into the system for this customer product combination. If you didn't have customer special names set up, then the tax code from stock file maintenance IN0200 would default onto the orders. If you're not setting up special tax information for a particular customer product, just let this default to the default setting, and again it will go back to the stock file maintenance and get the appropriate tax flags from there. Finally, we have the backorder accept flag. There's a separate tutorial that will explain how this works, and it's also documented in the online documentation for this program. This concludes the tutorial on the customer special names maintenance.